Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
So with this trade, the main concept I was using was the DR IDR, but I wanted to use a few more confluences and a higher time frame analysis, which helped aid the direction. If it broke one direction over the other, I would feel more comfortable in taking the trade. So on 4 hour, we're on UJ. This is on the 25th of October. As we can see, we've just passed a recent high with a fair bit of gusto. It left behind a bit of a gap, which was attempted to be filled, but hadn't quite filled it totally. So my initial thought was that we were going to get a bit of a deeper retracement back to my sort of fib area on the 4 hour. And then as we dive down into the 5 minutes, we had a DR going up and a DR coming back down. Now at this point, this is New York, so I wake up around about here, and then the next ADR was formed. If I just quickly go back onto the 4 hour, my higher time frame analysis was I wanted to go from fib to fib. So I drew a fib from here to here, and now it did retrace in my golden zone, which gives me greater confluence for me basically take from back to my fib sellers going bullish, also closing in the rest of this void that was created, and to take liquidity from here. Now, essentially what I did here, I have my opening fib here. So as you can see, I drew a fib up here. The ADR had not finished, so I waited for a break, and then drew my second fib out and took a trade from that second fib and took it down to my fib extension, which is my 0.25 extension. The whole idea was for the trade to come all the way down here, but I am not greedy, and it was very fortunate that I was not greedy, because even though I did win the trade, my thought of what was going to happen did not come to fruition during that particular time, and it wanted to come back to seek liquidity before eventually dropping to the downside. And so yeah, just an extra couple of higher time confluences, fib retracement. And yeah, as we can see, we do get back onto the 4 hour. Price does eventually do what I thought it was going to do before moving up and breaking more new highs. It just goes to show you don't necessarily have to be correct in your analysis. As I wasn't entirely correct here, it came back up before coming back down. That doesn't matter because I made money in either way.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.